Hi everybody, this is Joe with Joe's Premium Firewood, bringing another fun-filled, exciting video. Today's video, I am getting ready to deliver bundles to the campground, and they just put in a bigger order for 240. So I recently delivered to a customer 5 miles away from me, and I noticed he had this really nice trailer, and I asked him if I could borrow it for the rest of the summer in exchange for $10 of credit for every time I do it, and then I'll just give him firewood instead, you know what I mean? So normally he pays me $120, so after I use it 12 times he gets a free load of firewood. And I got 60 in my truck, and there's 59 in here right now. I just made 19 of them. I had 100 of them made right here, and put 60 in my truck, and then the 40 there. And I just made 19. I'm gonna just make one for the video. Our lawnmower guys just showed up. They're landscape guys, so they're ready to mow the lawn, so it's gonna get loud here. But let me hook this up and make the last bundle. Show you how to load right into the trailer using our making a bundle and putting it right into the trailer without setting it down and then having to load it later. It looks like this tire needs a little air. I might have to stop and put some in. Okay. So, yep, you probably can hear them unloading the tractors. So, I don't know if you can see these. I threw some pieces down. In front of my little jig there. So those are the real long ones. You can see these pieces right here. I'm putting the long ones and taking them to the store I sell to. So I just take my string here. You guys see me do this before. And there goes the mowers. I just got about a truckload and a quarter of ash. Got it split. So now I don't know. I've made about, like I say, I've made 35 bundles, and I probably can make maybe another 35 more with what's left. Go. And it's not raining here. I just from the hour and a half that I've worked, that's how much I sweat. And then yesterday I smashed my hand. I was out in the lake, and see a nice bruise there. So let me show you this now that it's full. So this is a real heavy duty trailer too. He's got them nice leaf springs on there, and real heavy frame, so I'm no worries at all about this. So this is going to be real nice. Be able to get her done in 2 trips today. It would take me 4 trips in my truck. It's about a half an hour one way. So I got a hell of a rig now. Be able to get stuff done. I don't play games, and I wanted to let you know my truck's been having trouble this week. First the starter died over the weekend, and then 2 days later my alternator died, so I got about $400 into that in repairs, which includes having to have it towed. So I think I'm going to wrap up this video before it gets any hotter, because I'm going to have a long day, because And when I come back here, let me show you this real quick. I like to get on the road by 10:30. It's about that time now. So when I come back here, I got these bundles made right there. There's 112 bundles right here. So I'm gonna back the trailer up right in between here, load my truck and trailer. There's at least 40 there, so I gotta take them another 120. So I have about, what, 20 or so bundles left when I get done. And then I gotta start making them, because probably in 10 days they're gonna need another at least 200 more. And this pile's getting kind of low, so I'm gonna have to get a hold of Phil, and hopefully he's gonna want to work next week, and I can get a couple truckloads in here and get them split and start make some more. So I guess with that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like Joe's Premium Firewood on Facebook, subscribe to my channel, share this video on your social media, and have a great weekend, people.